All right, so we are going to be solving this system of equations using the substitution method. So just quick reminder, substitution method. First, we're going to isolate the variable. Then step 2, we're going to take what that variable equals, that expression, and we're going to substitute it in for the variable in the second equation. That will leave us with an equation with one unknown. We are going to solve that equation. After we know that what that one variable equals, that's its coordinate, we're going to substitute it back into one of the original problems and solve for my other unknown, and then we're going to write our answer as an ordered pair. So my first example, it says solve the system of linear equations. It should be linear equations. It's a lot of math, so I'm going to set up a table to help me just kind of organize it. So I know that my answer is going to be an ordered pair, so I'm just going to put my ordered pair up there. That will be where my answer goes. And then on the left side, I will solve for one variable, and on the right side, I will solve for the second variable. So the first step is to isolate a variable. Well, I already have a variable isolated. Y is on its own. I have one y, so I know what y is. Y is 2x minus 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that expression, 2x minus 1, and I'm going to substitute it in for y in the second equation because those are y's are equivalent. So doing that, we have 3x plus 2 times y. Well, y is 2x minus 1, and that's going to equal 26. So now I have one equation with one unknown. I just don't know what x is. So I'm going to solve for x. So I'm going to distribute the 2 to the 2x and then the 2 to the negative 1. So I have 3x plus 4x minus 2 equal to 26. Still needing to solve for x, so combine like terms. 3x plus 4x is 7x minus 2 is equal to 26. Now it's just a two-step equation. So I'm going to need to add 2, add 2. Negative 2 plus 2 is 0, so that leaves me with 7x. 26 plus 2 is 28. Dividing by 7, dividing by 7. So x is equal to 4. So now I know that the x coordinate of my solution is 4. So I'm going to put that up there. Remember, my ordered pair is always x and then y. Now that I know what x is 4, I'm going to plug that in and solve for y. So y is going to equal 2 times x, which is 4, minus 1. Y will equal 8 minus 1. So y will equal 7. So the y value of my point is 7. And what's really cool about my solving systems of equations is I can check my work. All I need to do is plug those back into for x and y, see if I get a true statement, well, 2 true statements. And I kind of already have the check in with the first equation with x and y because we did the math to solve for y. So really I just need to check it with that second equation. So we have 3 times 4, because 4 is x, plus 2 times y, which is 7, should be equal to 26. 3 times 4 is 12. 2 times 7 is 14. And 12 plus 14 is 26. So 26 equals 26. So voila, it works.